Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Bisect Hosting server tutorial.
In today's tutorial, we're going to go over how to add user passwords to a Starbound server. Adding a user password will require every user to use their specific password to enter the Starbound server. This keeps any unwanted players from joining. First, we're going to log into our Bisect Hosting Games panel and choose our Starbound server. Next, we're going to choose the Stop button to stop the server. Then from the left sidebar, we're going to choose the Config Files drop-down menu and choose the Server Config. Once here, we need to navigate to the line that says Allow Anonymous Connections. By default, this is around line 4. We're going to set this to false. Once done, we need to navigate to the Server Users line. This by default is around line 47. Between the brackets of the server users, we are going to paste this example. I will have this in the description so you can easily copy and paste this example. We can then edit the example file to our specific user. So we have a user and their name is Steve. We need to replace the example user 1 in between the quotation marks with Steve. We then need to choose whether or not they're going to be an admin. And if we want to keep it false, we can just keep it as is. And if we want them to be an admin, we just need to change that false to true. Lastly, we need to change the password here in between the quotation marks to the password we would like them to have. So for us, we're just going to put password, but we suggest adding a password that's easy to share to this user, but it's hard for any other user to guess. We can continue this step by copying this example and then pasting it right after the last one. The only thing you need to add is a comma after the last bracket after each password. You do not have to add the comma after the last user. Once these have been added, we can choose the Save Content button. Then we can go back to the Home tab, start our server, and we'll have added user passwords to our Starbound server.
If you have any questions, check out our knowledge base, bisecthosting.com/KB, or you can submit a support ticket on our website. If this guide was helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, comment down below which guide you would like to see next, and we'll see you around.